Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the document and going straight to the View tab. This gets you to Word's Zoom controls. Click Zoom in the Zoom group to open the Zoom dialog box. That is the only reliable place to set document magnification across layouts. Once open, you'll see percentage options and fit choices. Use these because the dialog sets an exact view, unlike temporary shortcuts. Make sure you keep this dialog in mind, as now choose how you want the document to appear and why. Select a percentage for precise magnification, or use fit options to adapt layout to your screen. For reading, page width often makes text comfortable. For layout checks, whole page shows composition. If you type a custom percent, you get fine control, and the preview reflects your choice so you can confirm it visually. Once you decide, press OK to apply the setting to the document view. After you click OK, the view updates immediately, and you can continue working at that magnification. If you want consistent behavior for new documents, adjust and save your normal template. That preserves preferred zoom for future files. If something looks off, for example, text appears too small or layout clipped, reopen the Zoom dialog and choose a different percent or fit option. Reapplying the dialog resolves transient display issues in Word and restores the correct view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.